Deepika Chauhan from Vashi has asked, Satish ji, why should we meditate? And she says that I have tried meditating, but I cannot do it. So is it necessary to meditate?
दीपिका जी, आपने ध्यान सीखा है, आपसे नहीं हो पा रहा है. You have learned meditation, but still you cannot meditate. What is harassing you? Your thoughts? And why you have to meditate? To understand your thoughts? Beside this, there is no reason to meditate. The reason behind meditation is just understanding your thoughts. What we know as self-realization. The self is full of thoughts, nothing else. If you understand your thoughts, you will understand yourself in a much deeper sense. The meditation is a process to understand yourself in a deeper way. So if something is harassing you, that is your thought, you need to meditate more and more. You need to understand that why. Who is stopping you from meditation? If you have tried meditation and you have given up, what is that trying and who stopped you to give up the meditation? I don't think so that anybody can stop you to meditate or do anything in your life. To understand that, you have to understand self, and that self is nothing, it's full of thoughts. More the thoughts, more unclarity in your mind. When you start observing your thoughts, the space between the thoughts will keep on increasing. When the space will increase, you have more space to see to things. You'll be able to sit in that empty space, and then you will realize and you'll get more clarity of the thoughts. Right now you're getting confused because you're jumbled up with the thoughts. There's so many thoughts coming and going, and that thoughts are disturbing you and not allowing you to meditate. Sit and meditate. Do not expect anything out of it. कुछ नहीं मिलेगा आपको ध्यान करने से, क्योंकि आपको जो कुछ मिलेगा आप खुद अपने आप को पाओगे. You will gain yourself, Deepika. So just to gain self, nothing else in life. Forget everything. No God, nothing. Don't do meditation for the God. Do for self. And once you start doing for the self, you will gain that self, and that self will give you everything. Then you will love to meditate. Your life will become meditation. You will be calm, you will be serene, you will be better decision maker, you will be more loving, you will be more bright, you will be accepted by people the way you are, and that acceptance will again put you more into meditation. Then you will be you are a wonderful person, no doubt about it, but you will still become much better person, because then you will know self, and by knowing self you will know others too, because they are nothing, they are just like you. Everybody is a thoughts, different kind of thoughts. So you just have to understand yourself by understanding the thoughts. So yes, the meditation is a very important process. You have to learn and do it, and if there is any confusion, Deepika, please come. Will help you to learn the meditation. Thank you for asking this question.